Okay, it's an unboxing. Obviously this one's from StewMac. I sort of forget what I order when I order stuff. So it's sort of a double surprise. But for a luthier it's kind of exciting always, even if you know what you've ordered. Oh yeah, this is the 3-inch, I think, roll of painter's tape. It's really low tack. It's great for when you're doing a whole bunch of stuff. Truss rod for 14 fret to the body guitar. This is a long spatula. This is actually for the bedroom. No, this is for just removing bridges and things. That length plus this kink here are very good for certain things. Builders for life. Yes. $120 grit sandpaper, sticky. Use a lot of that stuff. Little spatula and a couple of screws. So my old one of these was dying, and it was from the art store, and I chopped it off to, get glue under braces when I was doing back braces and stuff. So I needed a new one. That's good. They're about the same price from the art store and StewMac, so I just thought I'll get it from them. These little screws, these are for headstocks, but these are stainless steel. They're really strong, and they're stronger obviously than the little brass ones that you get with some tuners, and these are for slotted headstocks. So what I do, I pre-screw the holes with these, and then go back in with the real tuner screws. And this is my standard tuner. Nickel Waverly with ebony buttons. Very nice. If you want a Waverly sticker, give me a call. For my next show and tell, is veneers. There's some boring veneers in here, and there's some pretty amazing veneers in here. Okay, so got a whole bunch of black veneers. There's no way to do this really. Nice black veneers. These are pretty wide. at about 10, I think, 10 and a half. Some white veneers. I think I got 12 black and 7 or 8 white, something like that. Then I got some special Brazilian. Some people really like the sapwood on headstocks and stuff like that, so I keep some of this in stock. And this stuff is pretty cool. It's redwood burl. No charge, that was nice. This is for, I think I'm going to use this for a headstock veneer. Because it looks a bit like a map. But we'll see how I'm going to orientate that. Yeah, so that's it. Redwood burl. That one's amazing. Brazilian rosewood with sapwood. And black and white veneers for headstocks, inlays, and fingerboards. So this will get turned into this sandwich, if you can see that, under a headstock veneer. And also under a fingerboard. Then I write that away and it becomes a purfling. Tricky dicky. Okie doke. Cheers.